These are all the accessories which will be provided with the vessel sealer machine. In this there will be a foot switch, monopolar and sealer one with the bipolar. The 2 foot switch will be given. A hand switch pencil with a tip cleaner, one complementary electrode. There will be a chuck handle, reusable chuck handle with the electrode set with the tip cleaner. In this there will be 4 electrodes, ballpoint pointed and a flat one, angular one, and a straight electrode, cutting electrode like this. The main cord branded Nidhi one. There will be a patient plate, stainless steel patient plate 1 mm thick. There will be a patient plate cable cord, both the side banana jack pin for the patient plate, bipolar forceps, cable cord with the reusable forceps, detachable. Then there will be a laparoscopy vessel sealer, which you can use the bipolar cable cord for this, and these 2 pins will be going to the machine. Even this is reusable, autoclavable. There will be an open bike clamp with a cable cord. These 2 female pin will be attached to the bike clamp, and these 2 pins towards machine seal mode. This bike clamp will be given. Laparoscopy instruments with all the packing and with the briefcase and all will be provided. Thank you so much.